Chloe Kim is an American snowboarder and two-time Olympic gold medalist. She was born on April 23, 2000 in Long Beach, California, United States. Kim was included in Time magazine's 100 Most Influential People of 2018. At the 2022 Winter Olympics, she became the first woman to win 2 gold medals in halfpipe. Kim entered the 2022 Winter Olympics as two-time Olympian in the women's halfpipe and takes home gold once again and becomes the first female snowboarder to take back-to-back gold at the snowboard halfpipe event. She dominated the top of the scoreboard in the final at the Genting Snow Park in the Zhangjiakou mountains. Kim scored 94.00 in her first run, which proved enough for the crown. Carol Castellet took the silver medal with 90.25 for the first medal for a Spanish woman in any Winter Olympic sport since 1992. According to Time magazine, Kim lives in Los Angeles with her boyfriend, skateboarder Evan Burl. At age 17, she became the youngest woman to ever win gold at the Olympics in the halfpipe, surpassing the past record holder, Kelly Clark, who had won the gold when she was 18. This record landed Kim a position on Time magazine's annual Time 100 list. She is a 6-time X Games gold medalist and the first woman to win 2 gold medals in snowboarding at the Winter Youth Olympic Games. She is the World Olympic Youth Olympic and X Games champion in the halfpipe and the first to win the title at all 4 major events. He started her on a snowboard at age 4 at the Southern California resort of Mountain High. She started competing at age 6 as a member of Team Mountain High. She trained in Geneva, Switzerland from ages 8 to 10 before returning to California and training at Mammoth Mountain. Kim joined the US snowboarding team in 2013. While too young to compete in the 2014 Sochi Winter Olympics, Kim earned a silver medal in superpipe in the 2014 Winter X Games behind Kelly Clark. In 2015, Chloe won gold in the superpipe at the Winter X Games besting Clark. In 2016, Kim became the first American woman to win a gold medal in snowboarding at the Winter Youth Olympic Games and earned the highest snowboarding score in Youth Olympic Games history at the time.